Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to roast peanuts by two methods. First is by using Instant Pot air fryer lid and the second is by baking in the oven. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. If you like this video, then please share it with your family and friends. Here I have used Lakshmi brand jumbo peanuts. Place the air fryer basket in the Instant Pot liner. Put 1.5 cup of peanuts in the air fryer basket and close the lid. While closing, you will hear the closing lid music of Instant Pot. Press roast button. Set temperature at 370 Fahrenheit and set the time for 10 minutes and then press start. After 5 minutes, air fry will beep to turn the food. So open the lid and shuffle the peanuts little bit and close the lid again. You don't need to press any button, it will start its countdown again. So after remaining 5 minutes, the roasted peanuts are ready using air fryer lid. You can see the peanuts are very nicely roasted. They are pink in color. I wanted this color and now they are ready to make chutney or peanut powder. For baking in the oven, preheat the oven at 370 Fahrenheit. Take the cookie sheet tray. I am using cookie sheet tray. You can use any oven proof utensil. And here in the tray I am using 3 cups of peanuts. Make them in a uniform level. Take out if there are any dirt or bad peanuts. Make them flat and put it in the oven and set the time for 15 minutes. Here I have set the timer for 10 minutes, but after 10 minutes peanuts were not perfectly cooked. So I have increased the time for more 5 minutes. After 5 minutes peanuts were cooked very nicely. So in total 15 minutes in oven our 3 cups of peanuts were roasted. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.